Welcome to Money Made Simple. Today we're covering why your credit score matters and how to improve it. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Did you know a good credit score could save you thousands of dollars on things like buying a house or a car? Imagine getting a car loan at 5% interest instead of 10%. On a $30,000 car, that could save you over $4,000 in interest payments over 5 years. Your credit score isn't just a number. It's your financial report card that lenders use to decide if you're trustworthy. The better your score, the better deals you get. Let's make that score work for you. Think of your credit score as your financial trust number. Usually between 300 and 850. The higher the number, the more trustworthy you look to banks, landlords, and even some employers. It tells them how well you've managed money you've borrowed in the past. It's built on your history of paying bills, how much debt you have, how long you've had credit, and new credit you've applied for. It's not magic, it's just a summary of your borrowing habits. You can't improve something you don't know. Good news. Checking your credit score is free and easy. Websites like Credit Karma, Experian.com, or AnnualCreditReport.com for your full report from all 3 major bureaus. Let you see your score and report without hurting it. Make it a monthly habit. Action for today. Go sign up for one of these free services and see your score right now. No excuses. This is the single most important thing you can do. Payment history makes up about 35% of your score. Missing even one payment by 30 days or more can seriously hurt your score and stay on your report for years. Lenders want to see you're reliable. Action for today. Set up automatic payments for all your bills, credit cards, student loans, car loans. If you can't pay the full amount, at least pay the minimum by the due date. Don't let a forgotten due date cost you big bucks. This is called credit utilization, and it's another big piece of your score. Around 30%. It's how much credit you're using compared to how much credit you have available. For example, if you have a $1,000 credit card limit and you owe $900, that's high utilization. 90%. Lenders prefer to see you using less than 30% of your available credit, ideally even less. Action for today. Look at your credit card balances. Try to pay down any card that's over 30% utilized. $300 on a $1,000 limit. Right now, or at least before your next statement date. Even small payments make a difference. The length of your credit history accounts for about 15% of your score. Lenders like to see a long history of responsible borrowing. If you close an old credit card you've had for years, you shorten your average credit age, which can actually lower your score. Action for today. Instead of closing an old card you don't use much, just put a small, recurring bill on it, like a streaming service for $15 per month, and set it to autopay. This keeps the account active and helps your credit age without risking debt. Don't fall into these traps. 1. Applying for too much new credit at once. Each application can cause a small, temporary dip in your score. Only apply for what you truly need. 2. Missing payments. We covered this, but it's worth repeating. One late payment hurts a lot. 3. Closing old, paid-off accounts. Keep them open, even if unused, to maintain your credit history length. 4. Not checking your report for errors. Mistakes happen. An error on your report could unfairly lower your score. Review your report regularly and dispute any inaccuracies. To recap, your credit score is vital for saving thousands of dollars. Check it often. Pay all your bills on time. Keep your credit card balances low, under 30%, and keep your oldest accounts open. These simple steps can dramatically improve your financial future and put more money back in your pocket. Remember, building a great score takes time, but it's absolutely worth it. Start today. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. That's everything for today's video on why your credit score matters and how to improve it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. New finance tips every week on Money Made Simple.